Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and I'm pretty excited today because I have a project for you guys. Today I will be trying to make my own version of those Pokeball Terrariums. Now I've seen them pretty much everywhere and they look really awesome, but I'm going to make my own version because now I understand that you can use this is what it is. You can pretty much use this. It's like an ornament. You cut off these things and then you place it like this. Well, I'm not going to be doing that because I'm actually going to make it stay an ornament. So you'll see my plan then for that. So why don't I just get right into this? Here we go. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually open these and pop them open. Alright, very good. So what I'm going to be doing is working with just one of the halves. I'm going to take it and I'm going to trace, other side, I'm going to trace the circle here. Alright, and I'm just going to cut this out using my bigger, sharper scissors. Alright, there we go. And then this will fit into here then. Looks like I gotta make it smaller. A lot of this involves a lot of eyeballing. Just eyeball everything here. Okay, I think we finally figured out what size this needs to be. So after a whole bunch of eyeballing, we are finally good to go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue it to one of the sides of the thing. Take this one, set it in there. Alright, so I added the hot glue into the bottom and now we're just going to let it dry. Alrighty, now that that's dry enough, I am now going to start decorating the inside. So on the furthest side over here, I'm going to take some of this moss. Wow, this stuff's really soft. Oh wow, I was not expecting that. I'm going to take some of this moss and lay it down kind of like grass, but first I'm going to glue down this tree, I think. That's what I'm first going to do. Tree is nice and glued down, and then around the tree I'm going to glue some moss down as kind of like grass. Okay, now that the moss is all laid in there quite nicely, I'm very happy with it. That took absolutely forever, but that's okay, that's alright. You know, as long as it looks okay and you're happy with it in the end. That's all that matters. We're adding a little bit more moss. Alright, the next thing I'm going to add are the rocks, and I'm pretty much just going to do the same thing that I did with the moss. I am just going to cover it up with the rocks. So I'll be back when that's all done. Alrighty, so this is what I have so far, and I'm actually really happy with it. The next and pretty much last thing I'm going to do is I have this little Pikachu figure, and I'm going to cut off this little suction thingy from the bottom of him, and I'm going to glue him on. I don't know if I want to glue him onto the rocks or back in the grass. I think I'm going to glue him onto the rocks. I think that'll be better. Alright, that's what I'm going to do. Alrighty, and there we go. Have a little Pokeball Terrarium. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to close this up, line up the holes. I'm going to stick a ribbon through that, and then I'm going to paint the bottom of this white so you can't really see anything from the bottom, and probably put electrical tape around here and make it look like a Pokeball. But I just wanted to show you how I made the inside. So there you go. So that is how I created my version of the Pokeball Terrarium. Now, there will be, you probably have already seen the finished picture, but I will do that off camera. I just want to paint the bottom white and then put some electrical tape along with some foam just to actually make it look like a Pokeball. But you know, and also to hide the cardboard and underneath hot glue. But so far, I am extremely happy with it. This is so cute. I'm really happy with it. So That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!